Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can insert batteries to Tesla composition scale SC100. So first, make sure to turn the way around. Now place it, and here insert batteries. Here you have minus and plus. So here you have plus and minus, so you enter it like that, and these two, insert them on the opposite side. So make sure this hits this, and that's it, you're all set. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe and follow for more tutorials. Bye.